what I love about my job? I get to earn free things. 31 gives us the opportunity to do that, and I love that we can work to earn something fun. So I have a couple products here that I want to share with you, but first I better introduce myself. For those of you who don't know me, hey y'all, my name is Tracy Hyde. I'm a leader with 31. I've been with 31 for going on 6 years now. I've been a leader for just over, let's see, so it'll be 5. It'll be 5 years soon. And I just love all things 31. I'm so glad you're here. If you haven't hit that subscribe button below, please go ahead and do it. If it's still blinking, glittery, whatever it is, right here in the right below my video, click that subscribe button, join us, hang out with us. I go live a couple times. No, I go live on Thursday nights, and then I post 2 or 3 videos. There's some shorts that land. Hang out with us, learn all you can about 31. Maybe someday you'll decide that you want to earn some free stuff too, and I can help you with that too. So there will be in the first comment below ways that you can reach out to me and learn about this stuff if you would like, or if you want to just shop. Maybe you see something while I'm showing you things throughout the course of my channel, and you're like, hey, I need to shop for that. Okay, so holler at me. I'll be happy to help you. So first of all, in the month of May, I was able to earn a backpack and a medium zipper pouch, 2 new products for us, and I earned them completely for free by submitting sales. Okay, and I always get this wonderful little note that says, "Keep up the great work." And 31, because 31 celebrates us. They love it when we reach sales goals. They give us free things every month this year in 2024. It has been when you reached a $500 sales goal, you earn the gifts for the month. And they are great gifts. We get wonderful things. We get things in our hands ahead of time because we need them to share and show and do that, right? And we get them free. All we have to do is pay for shipping. I can handle that, right? Okay, so let me show you what I went with. We had a couple of options, and I went with a butterfly backpack and Recess Vibes medium zipper pouch. Now, the medium zipper pouch is a little bit smaller than our regular zipper pouch, which you know will fit, I hope you know, will fit a full-size notebook. This is just a touch smaller, also available in the super cute mermaids and our beautiful on our sleeves design. And then I think there's another one with a shark on it. I can't remember besides this, but super duper cute. These are $12 retail at the website. So if you're loving this and you need to get this because you know your kids got recess vibes, or maybe you're an educator and you have recess vibes because you don't have to go out. I hope. But whatever the reason you need one of these, grab one up. Now, it is almost big enough for a catalog, but it would fit a really cute little, like a couple of notebooks, a little, like a smaller journal and sticky notes. I mean, again, I work in education also. That's my day job. I'm a school social worker by day, and I don't know a teacher or educator or administrator or who doesn't love some fun sticky notes. This girl likes the long ones with the lines on them because I can make lists, because that's what I need to do. But I'm just saying, those would fit fantastically in here. This could be could even organize your cables and your cords and your charging stuff for when you're traveling, maybe makeup, all that kind of stuff, medicine. I have a lot of ideas. Okay, so then the other that we got, so that was the medium zipper pouch, $12 retail, typically, when it's not on sale, in our catalog this season. Now this is called the Cool for School backpack. Check this bad boy out. I did a little while ago, did a spotlight on it, and I shared some info. I have a 13-inch MacBook, and it just fits inside. And I can zip it up and close it up, and it's just fine. My daughter, however, has a 13-inch. I don't know. It's not it's just a PC laptop, but it's because it's too square at the top and it won't fit in here all the way, so you can't get it open. Well, a couple things this is also called Butterfly Bliss. This print is called Butterfly Bliss. So a couple things I want to share with you. Great big pocket right here as I get it all unflattened from having been shipped to me. The pocket is huge, and then look, the print continues in here. Great size pockets right here on this side. I have a water bottle? Hold on. Great size water bottle. Will hold your water bottle. Look at that. How nice is that? And then there's one on the other side as well. Find the zipper here. Ba-dum-bum. So look at this on the inside. First, whoopsies, that doesn't help at all, does it? But that's a really good size backpack. It's really, really big. I had somebody ask me at a vendor event the other day if a binder will fit in here. We grabbed a 1.5 inch binder. That baby fit right in here. No problems. No problems at all. There is a, what is this called? Technology pouch. It's a little elastic so you can stretch and pull it out. I know my iPad would fit in here just fine, but like I said, my 13-inch MacBook fit in here, but it was a snug fit. And so just so that you're aware about the size of it. This is great for our kids getting ready to go back to school. I know you're thinking, Trace, it's June. Well, it's the end of June. But also, we're still thinking school, right? And so maybe before you get full summer brain, and then you have to panic, and then you can't get them something cute like this, because it takes a week to get it or a couple weeks to get it. You never know. You just don't know. And if you're going to personalize it, I don't want you to be upset that you missed out on that, or that you had to buy something different so your kiddo could make it back to school on time, right? Super duper cute. I also want to tell you, look it, I'm not a little girl, okay? I'm gonna put this out there. I'm not a little girl. I know it's not hard to see that. I know you can tell I'm not a little girl. But let me tell you what. So not even fully extended, this not little girl can put this on her back, and I can even tighten it up. Okay? So this could be for you. Are you an educator? Are you going back to school yourself? This could be for you. Like, who wouldn't want something cute to carry? Plus, 2 straps is definitely, like, I'm struggling right now with my shoulder. Apparently it's my bicep, but my whole shoulder is messed up. But it starts here, or at least that's the current estimation. That's where it's starting. The 2 straps, and they're very nicely padded, by the way, will help you if you are having an issue. Like I said, it'll help even things out. And then maybe if you overload it, it's not all on one side versus, it's spread out across you. So $39 in our current catalog, which is this cutie pie, runs May 1st through August 30th. And then the new catalog comes out in September 1. But I don't know if this will continue into the next catalog or not. I don't know yet. I'll know at the end of July. I'll be able to maybe give some sneak information. But it's also available in several prints. And so let me tell you what those, it's 5 different prints it's available in. Whoopsie, right here. So look at all of those. So there's the butterfly. Can you see them all? Let me see. Can I do that? Oh, that's much better, isn't it? Black tie-dye, morning rays. This is kind of like a coral orange with sunshines on it. Cute. So cute. Is this painted streaks? So just really, really colorful. This one is super duper neutral. Actually, it is called neutral color block. Kind of greens and tan a little bit, and then black tie-dye. So something for everyone, right? Something that everyone would love. hopefully this video's brought you some value, whether that's just so that you know what size it is. I told you what size my stuff is. In the catalog, it does give you sizes so you can measure your technology to see if it would fit in here. I thought that was a really nice extra that 31 did in the catalog for us. And then adjustable straps. The straps are fully adjustable. So hopefully, like I said, hopefully it's given you, this video has given you some value. If that's the case, hit that like button and share with whoever you think needs to know about it. And then don't forget to subscribe. I think I already said to hit the subscribe button. And then just one more thing. Go watch another video for me. Thanks so much. I'll see you later.